of it.
Are you gonna shoot it or what?
Putting the ammunition in?
Oh.
Did you hit yourself?
Oh my God! I can't go home! Oh my God!
Big, I'll just jump back.
Lay the gun down.
Lay the gun down.
Slow down. Reload. Drop your bag. Just let it fall, remember?
Yeah.
One more. Take your time. Trigger control. Slowly. You're doing it. You're making it fine flint.
Oh! Ow, Alan!
How was that?
Up like nose.
Break your nose.
Alright, now we have the 400 grain platinum tip and the 500 magnum, and Stephanie is going to give it a shot. Alright, cock back that hammer. Here we go. Alright.
Sorry, sweetie. I'll catch you, Remington. Did it hit you?
Yep.
Oh, cool.
Welcome here, ma. Win it, Bob. Push up. Win it, Bob. Bitte.
This shit's gonna fucking suck. Ah! Shit hard!
Hey.
Chamber one
I
in.
gotta shoot 8 of these motherfuckers?
Chamber. You gotta do it fast or it won't work. All the way forward. You gotta do it hard. Keep it tight or it'll hurt more.
I'm so fucking scared right now.
Shoot.
Oh, it's like getting an ass whooping.
Rack it fast or it won't work. Forward, hard. Keep your finger out of the trigger or you'll fire.
It's not all the way forward.
It's not all the way forward. You gotta go all the way forward. You gotta do it hard.
Hey,
Alright,
only make her do 5.
Fire.
I don't wanna.
Come on.
This shit hurts.
Wah. Charge it. One more.
All the way forward. Good. Fire.
Outstanding.
Ever hip fire.
Hold on just a second. Just kind of heavy. Okay, go ahead whenever you're ready.
She was ready.
Go ahead whenever you're ready.
I'm ready.
Nikki, away from your mouth.
Go shoot yourself! Go,
I fucking told you, Joe.